Be gentle with the version of you that is still healing. That part of you has endured more than it could ever speak about. Offer those parts of yourself patience, not pressure. Provide them love, not judgment. Give them room to unravel and rebuild. Your healing is sacred work. Honor it with tenderness. You're becoming whole in ways you'll feel soon. Please like, subscribe, follow, and share.